What's poppin', boss gang? Welcome back to CEO Prince Reactions. Dominic, I think his name Dominic Cerna. He basically wanted me to do a reaction to playing dirty loud noises on angry grandma. Okay. So this is right here the dirty loud noises prank on sleeping grandma. So we're finna get right to the video, but before we do, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. We're on the road to 1K, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and make sure you leave a comment on what videos you want me to react to, cause we doing them all day. Hey, happy Super Bowl Sunday too, y'all. I'm gonna be watching the Super Bowl later, so that's why I'm busting the reaction right now. But let's get into it.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Real quick before the video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know to go check out our Facebook page.
This shit better be funny too. This shit bad. See, y'all can't you can't play with black grandmas like that. You can play with them white ones like that.
What the fuck was that?
Why so much dust in the air? What the fuck?
5 minutes later.
She knocked right back out. Oh, what the fuck? Ew, I'm getting disgusted, bro. I'm getting disgusted.
Jay! Sit here now! You motherfucker!
What the hell is that? What is that? Yo, what?
Beat the living hell out of you!
My grandma would have been beat the living hell out of
Put
me.
that shit over no damn fucking well. I can't get it off my fucking TV. Get your ass in here now! Can't even take a fucking nap around here or nothing else. He's all time of doing something. Well, I'm gonna show him how to do something. This damn time, I'm gonna buy me something, and I'm Jay!
What?
I'm gonna beat the motherfucking hell out of you. Put that goddamn shit on my damn TV, and I'm trying to sleep. Can't even fucking sleep around. What? Fucking shit. I'll beat the living hell out of you.
What are you even
I don't listen to that shit, and I don't watch that fuking shit. So you keep your fucking ass out of my room.
Randy, I have not a clue on what you're talking
I'll
about.
put a fucking lock on my fucking door.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Get in here and you can hear the flapping jack-off sounds.
Granny, I don't even hear anything.
Yeah, you probably turned it up, you motherfucker. You know how to do it without coming in the fucking room. You know how to get going.
Granny,
I'm telling you right.
Granny, I love you, but you're going senile.
Let me turn my. I look so down. Damn, bitch. There we go. There's some more light on me, bro.
I'll
God
beat
damn.
your fucking brains out.
You've lost it. You lost your mind.
I'll beat the hell out of you. You open that door, you motherfucker. You open that door and I'm
You
gonna crack you with
motherfucker.
a handle.
Oh, I gotta get another haircut
I'm gonna
already.
hit you with a fucking handle. I'm gonna lay that damn big noggin of yours wide open. So don't you dare stick your head in this motherfucking room.
20 minutes later.
Yo, what's going on right now, man?
Oh, fuck no! Oh, hell! Oh, fuck!
Bro, how do y'all get away with this shit, bro? How do y'all get away with this? Like, bro, did y'all hear about that dude that got that YouTuber that got shot trying to do that prank, bro? That's crazy. How y'all get away with shit like this, bro? How do y'all get away with this shit? No,
Oh,
like,
hell no! Shit, no! Jack! Get your fucking ass in here! Get in there!
get your fucking ass in there.
That shit on my TV you got on my fucking TV.
What is this?
Girls eating shit! Kissing and eating shit like ice cream.
Yo, this is
Get
disgusting.
that shit off and you get it off.
I don't even see anything on your TV.
Yo, she.
Quit it.
Get in here, get it off.
Oh shit, dog.
Fucking eating shit ice cream cold.
That shit would have had me fucking with a vomit.
And then, oh, they're sick. Oh, God, they're sick. Fucking bitches. Think something wrong with them.
Yo, oh my god.
Popsicle. Oh, fuck.
Oh,
Put that
man.
bird on that one. Oh, my God.
Yo, this is perfect, yo.
Sick.
What's wrong with you?
Put that fucking shit. I can't get that damn image
Yeah.
out of my head. I still see them on there eating that shit. Get it off the fucking TV.
It is off your TV. What are you on about?
You keep doing that goddamn shit. You keep doing it. And keep doing it. And one of these days, I'll beat the fuck all out of you.
I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not even hearing anything. Maybe the house is haunted or something.
I'm putting a fucking lock on my door and I'll show you how fucking haunted it is. Your ass won't be coming in here putting shit on my TV.
You need a hug. Give me a hug. You need a hug.
You have to much me.
Oh, quit out.
Nah, my grandma would have whacked my ass for real. Like, she would have hit my ass like a baseball bat.
What are you doing?
I'm going out and have me a fucking cigarette after that all that damn.
For
I thought you were
real.
taking a nap.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, bro. After you watch Two Girls, One Cup, you gotta smoke something. I don't give a fuck what it is, nigga. You can smoke some green grass. You gotta smoke something, bro. That shit is nasty. You gotta get that shit out your mind.
I can't take a damn nap around here from your fucking ass. Get out of my room.
Damn, she gonna go back to
Be
sleep.
gone when I get back.
That, hey, her room right, her door right by the chair. I wish I could just get up
You want
and.
some ice cream?
Fuck you.
Yo, fuck you. Hey, yo, yo, she was heated. Ew, what is screaming cake fart? Why the wind blowing on her hair?
You know what I like the most? Fake farts.
Oh, hell no. Oh, shit.
I never seen that video. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I
Bitch
didn't.
ain't got no damn drawers on. Stupid.
Nice and comfortable for this.
Oh, hell. Comfortable my ass.
Yo.
Stupid
What do you
bitch.
say, well?
Oh, fuck no.
Yo.
Jack!
I can't breathe. Okay, I can't breathe.
Shit in this cake!
What?
Jay, turn that fucking shit off right now!
Oh, I had to hurry up and drink that
Ew,
shit.
what are you watching?
You put the fucking shit on you had to.
You're sick.
Hey, and why he coming there playing stupid?
Get that fucking
Why did he
shit
come in there
off
playing?
right now!
Ew.
Oh my god, bro.
I'll beat the
Yo.
Gray, look.
Yo. Dog. I'm about to choke, man.
Get it off now!
I turned it off.
I put the fucking lock on my door.
What was she
I
doing?
say, coming back in.
What was she?
That
Yo.
stupid bitch was farting out her cake. She's grabbing it up with coochie and a rice hole too.
Ew, that's
Perfectly
nasty,
good
dog.
cake, too.
Probably fucking was. But who in the fuck climbs up and straddles their ass on a damn cake? Ain't something fucking wrong with them.
What was she doing?
Turn that motherfucker off, cause you watched it enough. You know what she was doing.
Yeah, for real. Your nasty ass no nigga. How the fuck you know about that? I never heard about that.
Granny, please just tell me what she was doing to the cake.
She was fucking shitting on it. Turn it off.
Yo.
Shit off.
I turned it off. I won't do no more to you. But for real, what was she doing to the cake?
Oh,
What was she doing?
yeah.
Oh!
That's what she's doing to the fucking cake.
Yo, I want to see it,
Granny!
What?
Man, for real though, all joking aside, I do really sincerely apologize. But for real though, what was she doing to the cake?
She was throwing to the cake. Well, I'm gonna do all your bed later, motherfucker. I'm gonna shit all over it.
Yo, what the fuck?
What?
What was she saying at the beginning of that video?
Oh, you know what I like most? Cake farts. Yeah, cake farts my ass.
Hey, I think it's time for me to tell you that's actually my girlfriend I've been seeing. That's what she does as a 9-to-5 job.
Yeah, it's cake farts.
Yeah, she goes to
Cake
each
fart.
store, buys a new cake, and
Yeah.
she toots on
I
it.
guess you provide the icing for them, huh?
Yeah, I give her. She gives me the icing. Anytime I need icing for my cakes, she just
Well, I'll tell you
poops
what.
it out.
Tell you what. Don't bring the bitch around here.
Why?
Because she'll have something to dig out of her ass and it'll be my damn foot. Don't you never bring some bitch like that around me.
Why?
You better not bring her home, son.
She has a good job. She has a.
I don't give a fuck if she's got a good job showing her ass and everything else.
Later that same evening.
Oh, man, bro.
Gran?
What? You scared the shit out of me.
Hey, before I go to bed, can I have a snack? Oh, you got Oreos!
You ain't getting them.
I can't have these Oreos?
No, hell no.
Why?
Because I want them.
Oh, you got the Lays!
What
Excuse me, y'all.
a little
I'm trying to calm down. I've been laughing so
Listen,
hard.
don't you know? Kyle, you know why? You don't have to ask no
Excuse
fucking
me.
questions.
What did I do?
Oh, shit, bro.
Oh, you've been, you ain't done nothing. You've been the best little young'un I ever seen today. Motherfucker.
Alright, Granny, well, I love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
Oh! Holy shit! I'm definitely
How you cursing around his grandma like that?
Get out of my fucking room.
My grandma ain't never been that nice.
Hey, it's Kelsey. What's up? I've got some major gas, as you already hear. And I've got this lovely, beautiful
No, he did not
strawberry
wake her up
cream
in
pie
the
here
bed.
that, I think
He woke her up in the bed.
I'm not far into. Oh, I got one coming right now.
Oh, fuck. Jake! Jake!
Every time she said that shit. Oh, fuck no.
Feels nice on my butt.
Jake! Jake!
Hey.
Jake!
Jake.
Jacob! Jacob! Get the bucket here!
Looks like whipped cream. But it's
Jacob!
um,
God, I'm gonna kill her.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill him.
I'm gonna kill it.
But how she never see the
You
camera?
watch a tape.
Okay. This is fun.
You open that door, you motherfucker, and I'm gonna knock your brains out.
Hi.
Jake!
She don't wanna get
Better
up.
get the fuck in here.
Right off.
She don't wanna get up.
Son of a
Yeah. Taste this pie farts out of my butthole.
Son of a bitch! If he fool, I'm gonna kill him. Motherfucker, I'm gonna kill him.
Granny, what's wrong? Ew! What are you watching? Ow!
Get your fucking eyes in here and you turn this shit off.
Ew!
Turn it off!
She's pooping!
This might be the most fun part I've ever done.
She says she thinks this is the
Get your
most.
fucking eyes in here and you turn that son of a bitch off. Now!
She ain't. She heated.
I'll turn the damn thing off. You what?
Butthole.
1, 2, 3. Fuck it. I ain't watching that fucking shit. There
Granny,
ain't no fucking way.
Granny, what was going on in that video?
I'm not gonna give a shit. It was that pink part again, and I'm not watching that shit. I'm sick of it. You start that goddamn shit, I'm telling you, I'm locking my fucking door from now on.
Granny, I thought that would
I'm
be.
locking my fucking door from now on.
Granny, I thought that would be.
You won't be allowed in my fucking room.
Granny, I thought that would be.
Granny, I thought that was shit.
I thought that would be a perfect video that you could fall asleep to. It's like a nursery rhyme for pooping on cakes.
How about that?
She finna kill this nigga, bro.
You've lost it! Good night!
Damn. Oh, she threw scissors.
The best little young that I ever seen today.
Oh, that's it. My bad. I don't rewinded it back. But hey, man, thank y'all for watching, man. If you new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Make sure you like this video and make sure you leave a comment on what video you want me to react to, man. This was a great video. We out.